It is given in this question 9.6487 ampere current is passing through a voltmeter containing copper sulfate solution for 100 seconds. We have to find out the mass in grams of copper deposited in this process at the corresponding electrodes. Cu2 plus ions from copper sulfate solution will undergo reduction reaction and they will produce the copper metal. We have the equation to find out the mass of substance deposited at the electrode, that is W is equal to E divided by the Faraday's constant multiplied by I into T. The Faraday's constant value is given here, that is 96487 coulomb. E is the molar mass of copper or equivalent mass of copper. I is the amount of electricity passed through it and T is the time required to pass the electricity. Now we can substitute the values in this equation to find out the W, that is the mass of copper deposited at the electrode. So we will get 63 divided by 96487 multiplied by 9.6487 into 100, and the final answer will be 31.5 into 10 raised to minus 2, that is 0.315 gram. So from these options, option D is the correct one.